Welcome back to the Work Optional channel. I'm Stephanie. If you're a nurse, this video is for you. We'll be covering some easy and unique ways for you to start generating passive income, even if you are working long hours or travel frequently. So let's get into it. Easy and unique ways nurses can generate passive income. First, let's consider creating an online course. You can share your nursing expertise by developing courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, focusing on areas such as patient care techniques, nursing exam preparation, or all the various disciplines in nursing. By doing you are imparting your knowledge and helping others. Plus, online courses are extremely popular currently and are a good source of true passive income. Next, how about starting a blog or YouTube channel? It's easy to do, and you can document your experiences and share insights to help others. As a nurse, you have so many stories or knowledge to share, and there's definitely an audience for them. Once you build a following, you can begin to monetize your efforts through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Continuing with our theme of nursing knowledge, have you ever considered writing an ebook? Today, it's easier than ever to compile your nursing experiences into an ebook covering topics like health tips or stress management and sell it online through Amazon or your own website. Again, once you have set up the ebook, it will continue to sell itself over and over again as a reliable passive income generator. Now, hear me out. Why not invest in dividend stocks? It's simple to do, and you can invest some savings in dividend-paying stocks, allowing you to earn income over time without active management. All of this can be set up online with very little time or knowledge. Dividend stock companies are generally stable and reliable, thus helping to reduce any investing risk. Okay, here is one of our favorites. Create a nurse-themed merchandise shop. You can design and sell products such as mugs, shirts, or scrubs featuring clever nursing phrases through platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. There is a massive audience for themed merchandise, and nursing-related items are unique and fun. Moving on, I encourage you to take a look at real estate investing. Consider investing in rental properties or real estate crowdfunding platforms to generate passive income through rental payments. Whether you actually own a property or invest in a REIT fund, this is an excellent and proven way to generate passive income. Finally, why not make an app? If you have a tech inclination, developing a mobile app that addresses a specific nursing need or community can yield ongoing revenue through sales or in-app purchases. These are just a few ideas on how to generate passive income. What ideas do you have, or what are you doing currently? Let us know in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more proven ways to grow your passive income. Thanks for watching.